Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Sebastian here. So in this video, as I promised, I'm going to be discussing product research. So I'm going to show you one of the ways that I'm able to find six-figure per month products and stores that are crushing it. Now understand, this isn't going to be the end all be all. A lot of people think that there's one method for product research that will allow them to just find products every single second of every day. And this is not the end all be all again. So keep that in mind. A lot of people think that they're going to have that one quick fix and then everything's going to be perfect. It's not. Product research takes time, and I'm just being completely honest with you guys. I don't want to BS you because I do product research pretty much every single week, and it's a time-consuming process to say the least. Nonetheless, with this method, I've been able to find multiple six-figure per month stores and products that are absolutely crushing it. So before we get into it, be sure to smash the like button and click subscribe below. Now that is out of the way though, let's get into my computer. We're now in my computer, and before I show you guys the method, I want to show you guys a product and site that is doing, I believe they did over six figures in the past 60 days. So it's a product that's been selling well for quite some time, like the past, I would say 6 months to a year, and still doing well with Facebook ads. So here it is. It's called Light Tide Original Galaxy Emulator. Cool product, and they sell well on a lot of platforms like Amazon and eBay. I was editing this video and I noticed I didn't mention something that I wanted to talk about, so this is just going to be real quick. I know I mentioned right here where I said Amazon is another place that this light sells for, or it sells on, and a lot of people constantly ask me, hey Sebastian, if a product sells on Amazon, why would I dropship it? If, let's just say, I'm selling this bottle for $5 or $20 on my store, and they can get it on Amazon for $10. Why would I buy it, or why would I drop ship it, and why would the consumers buy it? Now you have to understand, when we're running Facebook ads, we are not going on a platform where people are already searching for the product. We are interruption marketing. We are disturbing them and showing them a product that they may want to buy or not. It's not something where they're already going out of their way to search for the product and get the best deal like they are on Amazon or eBay. That is not our target audience. That's why you only have a small percentage conversion rate, and that's why you only have a 5%, that's 5% high, but that's why you only have like a 2 to 5% click-through rate, because a lot of the people that view your ad are not interested in buying that, or maybe they see it and they go buy it on Amazon or eBay, but that is not our target demographic and our target audience. Our target audience they're the people that you show the ad to and they jump on the product and buy it. So keep that in mind, because again, I get so many people asking me, hey Seb, if I find a product that's being sold on Amazon for 20, but I can sell it, or I'd have to sell it for like 30 or 40, should I still sell it? Because, I'd be competing with Amazon, and Amazon is king, which yes, they are king if someone's going and searching for a product, but if you disturb them and you just show them the product without them having to go on Price Shop, they see that it's a good deal on your site, they will go ahead and buy with you. So keep that in mind, because again, so many people ask me this, and it's like those are not our customers. Our customers are not the people who go and price shop. They're the people who just jump on the product and buy it now. So keep that in mind. But now that is out of the way, let's get back into the video. Now this header is really messed up on the product page. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is the booster theme, and there are some weird bugs with the theme sometimes, so this is one of them. But nonetheless, cool product, and it's done over six figures in the past 60 days. Now you guys might be thinking, like, Sebastian, how the hell do you know that it's in six figures? Well, I will show you guys right now. So the method is exchangemarketplace.com. Essentially, it is a marketplace for selling your dropshipping business. If you guys haven't heard of this website, essentially you can go on and filter by dropshipping businesses and then sort by revenue highest to low, and you can find the stores that are all doing big numbers and essentially find out what products they're selling. Now, a lot of these are private listings. One thing I do, since a lot of these are private listings, is I'll go in and message some of them. Like, I would definitely want to message this site because they're doing average 28K profit a month. They're probably doing more per month, but this is just the average. So essentially I could message them and say, hey, I'm interested in buying this website. I'll do whatever you need, but I would be interested in seeing it, and then they can send me it. Maybe I might show them bank statements or something, or account balances to show that I have funds. And then I could go in and figure out what product all these people are selling. I don't do that too often. It's just if I'm really itching to find a product. So just keep that in mind. And I know that may be a little controversial. Overall, there are just a lot of listings that you can see that are doing pretty good numbers. So I have a lot actually pulled up that I'm going to start going through. Some of the products are really weird, so keep that in mind. This first one, it's called cup-mate.com. Now, it is a cup. I'll zoom in right here. It's a cup for women to use when they are disposing of fluids from their body. So essentially what it is that, and then they also sell this little device that can clean it by steaming it. It just cleans the bacteria. That is a good product due to everything going on in the world. People need and want their stuff sanitized, which is completely understandable. So when you have this steamer that cleans their product that they also sell, it's a good upsell, and they can make a lot of money doing it, and they have made a lot of money doing it. So one thing that's cool with this website is you can actually scroll down and see their exact numbers. So I see in April they did 20K, May they did 10K, and then I read up here in May that they dropped their ad spend by 45%, so that's why there's a big decrease in revenue. And then June 14K, July $24,000. So cool product, making them a decent amount of money. Not crazy, it's not like it's six figures, but I will show you guys some six-figure stores. Nonetheless, this just gives you guys a great insight into all of these businesses that are for sale, and then you can read all about what their site does and what their product is and how they sell the product and all that stuff, because that is pretty beneficial if you're looking to compete with their store and sell the same product. Then you can just read about how they've done it and then sort of replicate what they're doing in a sense. Another product and site that's doing really well, I'll click this photo if I can. They're selling these little stickers for radiation for your phone, and the product is cool because a lot of people right now are really weirded out about technology and stuff. I don't know if this product actually works or if it's something like a placebo effect, because a lot of those types of products sell, like the balance bands, the balance bracelets that a lot of people used to sell. But nonetheless, this site has been doing some pretty significant numbers just with a freaking sticker. Like, if you guys think about it, they're just selling stickers. And they sell a six-pack for $20. I went on Alibaba, and I believe I found them for like $4 or $2. So very good margins. But in May, they did 12K. And then in July, they did around almost $16,000. And then you can scroll down and see that they're spending around $4,000 a month on Facebook ads. So their return on ad spend is pretty significant. It's around a 3+, which is really good considering, you know, everyone's used to a 2+ ROAS. So this is cool and all, but there is a website and a store that I'm going to show you guys that has done almost $250,000 in 1 month, and like a month or two ago. It's not like it was last year, with one of the most competitive dropshipping products I know, which is pretty mind-boggling that they've been able to do that. So drum roll, please. I'm sure you guys have guessed it. It is the posture corrector. And if you can zoom in on that theme, it is not that good. Like, I'll click to it real quick before I show you guys the numbers, but it's not good, guys. It's, oh my God. I guess this site goes to show that you don't need to overcomplicate your website design, because they are really doing the bare minimum. They don't even have Powered by Shopify taken off their site. So let's go through their revenue, because it's actually pretty mind-blowing that they've been able to do these numbers with such a bad website. In April, they did $226,000, and then May, they did 17K. So all this died down, but they were able to scale from 33K to $226,000 in 1 month. And then they mentioned that they generate all their traffic from Facebook ads, which is really beneficial, that you're able to just read about all these businesses and read how they grow, how they generate all their revenue, what they generate the revenue with, and all that stuff. It's just amazing that we're able to read about them. I'm super glad that this website exists, because it's overall just a super easy way to find cool products. And then they show that they've spent 13K per month on Facebook ads. If they even spent 50K right here, that's still an amazing ROAS, considering this product is extremely competitive, and also considering this site makes me want to gag just because it's not set up good at all. And I'm going to assume they don't have an upsell either. Yeah, so they don't. So overall, the site isn't set up well, but it goes to show you don't really need to overcomplicate your website, because a lot of people watching these videos, they don't even have sites running. They just watch them and they're preparing to launch their first store, which is completely understandable. But guys, you don't need to overcomplicate what you're doing. Like, it can be something as simple as that, and then you're just selling the product and crushing it still. Clearly, they're doing well, because they've been able to do almost $250,000 in April with this product that, again, very competitive product. And then Lighttide, that site I showed you guys in the beginning, this product, I'll show you guys their revenue. So in May, they only did $3,800. In June, they did $71,000, which is really significant, considering they just did $3,800 the month prior. And then in July, which was last month, they did $46,000. Still really good. And then you can go up and read how they ran their ads. So essentially all they did right here, Facebook Ads Manager, that's all they are doing, Facebook ads. So this is just overall super cool that I'm able to figure out exactly what sort of ads they're running, because sometimes it's a hit or miss where I'm like, are they doing Google ads? Are they doing Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Snapchats, Instagram, TikTok? What are they doing? And this is cool that they literally just expose it. And then right here, you can see they're spending $34,000 a month on Facebook ads, which is actually kind of a lot considering they're only generating like a 2 ROAS. That's definitely not terrible, but it probably could be improved on. Nonetheless, still a cool product. They've done 6 figures with it. With 15% margins the past 3 months, this guy has generated around $18,000 profit. That equates to $6,000 per month profit, which is really good considering, again, they just launched this store 3 months ago. So that is another good product that I found from the exchange marketplace. I know I mentioned that you should sort by revenue high to low. One thing I found that works really well is if you just go to most recent and you go through these sites that have no revenue, that are not really doing much numbers, you can still go through and find some pretty cool products that probably aren't being sold much. I found, what was the site? Let me go through it. I forgot where it was. Oh, right here. So this site, they're doing pretty significant numbers, but they're drop shipping these chairs right here. So they're doing, let's change this. Actually, it already is translated, I think, right? Or no? I don't know, but nonetheless, they're selling this for $100, this set of 4, and then I was able to pull this same product up on Alibaba and find it for $6.50. This perceived value is really high considering it's being sourced for $6. Like, I thought this chair alone was going to be like 40 or $50, but they're selling a set for 4 for 100 euros, which is like, I think, 120 US dollars. So that's really cool, and I was able to find this site by just going on here and just sorting by most recent and scroll through all of the most recent, because again, there are a lot of cool products that aren't being ran much because some people don't know how to run ads properly, or some people just want to make stores and sell them, and that's their business. So nonetheless, you can find a lot of products on here using this method by just going through most recent and seeing what people are listing recently, because again, there are a lot of products that I don't even know about, and then I see them and I'm completely mind blown that I haven't had them in my life prior to me finding them out. Overall, this is a very simple yet powerful product research method that I've been using for over a year now, and it's consistently been able to find me product. Well, not find me, I have to go out and find them myself, but I've been able to find products consistently on this site. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got massive value. Now keep in mind, this isn't, again, the end all be all. You are still going to need to go out of your way and do other product research methods like going on AliExpress or asking suppliers what products are selling well, or just, doing a ton of stuff like surfing through your Facebook feed and your Instagram feed. So again, this is not the end all be all. You want to compile all of these methods and do them on a consistent basis, and then I'm almost positive you guys will find winning products. This is just one of the methods that I've been able to use to find 6-figure per month products, and it does work really well. So hopefully you guys get massive value from this video. Also, keep in mind, I'm going to go out of town for the next few days, so my scenery and where I'm filming is going to be a little different. I'm just staying in a hotel, so I really don't know where I'm going to film. I have to figure that out, but I will figure that out today. After I film this, I'm probably going to pick up the camera and start a day in the life video because it's still pretty early. It's like 7:30 a.m. But nonetheless, hope you guys again got value from this. If you did, smash the like button and click subscribe below, because this is a fire product research method, guys. Like, take action on this. And I also post daily dropshipping videos, so that's another reason for you guys to click that subscribe button. But other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.